Late one night I heard a knock at the door. The boys are really painting the town. I was just another boy, teenage boy, kicking up and acting the clown. Yeah. One day led to another day. Then things were getting out of control. We hopped the fence and we stole the pears, and I threw away a part of my soul. Yes, I threw away a part of my soul. Now it's haunting me how I stole those pears, 'cause I loved her wrong, even though I knew a better way. Not for hunger or poverty, it was more than pears that I ended up throwing away. Yeah. Time goes by, now I'm old and gray. Those pears are just a memory. I would gladly pay all I have today, but that's just not the problem, you see. 'Cause it's haunting me how I stole those pears, 'cause I loved her wrong, even though I knew a better way. Not for hunger or poverty, it was more than pears that I ended up throwing away. Yeah. Why do we love all the things that are wrong? Forbidden fruit has a strange siren song. Why do we do what we don't want to do when we live with regrets our whole life And it's haunting me how I stole those pears, 'cause I loved her wrong, even though I knew a better way. Not for hunger or poverty, it was more than pears that I ended up throwing away. Yeah. There are things that look attractive on the surface of despair. There are things that hold my interest when I really shouldn't care. I have felt intoxicated, viewing pleasures from afar, but I've been illuminated when they're seen for what they are. Keep me ever closer, save me from this strong seducing magnet of the world. It reaches through my heart and pulls me. Magnet of the world wants to keep me far from you. If it wasn't for your love that holds me, I would give it to the magnet of the world. When a compass pulled by magnetism points a different way, it's not hard to lose